Thank you so much, everyone, for watching us from the Pilipinas Live app, One Sports, and the UAAP Varsity channel, all here on Signal TV. Good steady inside presence there from Adeshina. But Bacalares finds an answer.
Like the likes of Jack Animam, Sorada.
Cheska Apag. Bacalares will try to make a basket once again. And it's good. Right on cue, we have Buscar here. Finding Bacalares. And Bacalares' shots. Counter steal here from Etang.
The same way you started before the game started. So if you're UE, you want to take it possession by possession, really making those decisions.
But there's so much happening on the court right now.
I feel like we said so many things and only 4 minutes has gone by, and it is care of Bacalares for UE, and of course Etang leading the way for Adamson. And ayaw nila yon.
Right on cue from that last free throw from Etang. Everyone needs to know that, Bacalares, although being Adamson finding the best shot possible here, but Lakayanga will want to make a shot of her own. Fast break opportunity, good. Mazo will look for a second chance here. 8 seconds left on the shot clock. Passing it over to Etang for 3, no good. Adeshina finishes that one. Lakayanga will make the basket here, and it's good. Identity once again for the Lady Falcons. UE tries to get a fast break, and it's good there, courtesy of Heaven.